Hello guys, hope everyone doing well, getting ready of your exams. Alex, here I am said as a hawk to give a content to kickstart your CAD journey. So basically, this few lectures gonna be important for all the third semester student of state engineering college as well as private engineering colleges. So on reaching third sem, there is a subject called CAD or AutoCAD, something like that. So where a civil engineering student gets for the first time that atmosphere of CAD drawing, drafting, annotation, and all. So I'm gonna upload few videos where I'm gonna teach the basic of AutoCAD, a few shortcuts like trim, copy, move, and all. And then I'm gonna teach a few drawings like windows, doors, how to draft that windows, doors, uh, isolated footing in AutoCAD. So I want every one of you to just memorize these shortcuts of AutoCAD that you're gonna need in every step of your drafting, be it to be drafting of windows, be it to be drafting of doors, anything. So let me explain this shortcut as well. Offset. So what does offset mean? So let me explain you. I have drawn a line. Okay. So I need an offset from this line at a particular certain distance. Let's say I need a line parallel to this line at a distance of 5 unit. I'm using the word unit instead of meter mm because till now I haven't said any unit. So let's keep it in a simplified way unit. So I need to displace this line at a 5 unit distance. So how to do it? See, I will type the command O, or you can just type a command here. This is a command word. You can type here O. You can see offset. So you just press space. Okay. Now they are asking the distance. So you just, as I said, 5 unit, or let's keep it 100. Let's keep it 50 unit. 50 space. Now I have to click left click here, and then insert instance. See, this line has been displaced by 50 unit. So this is the function of the command offset. Or else if we need to displace this line at, let's say, 500 unit. So how to do it? Type O, offset space, give the unit 500 space, then left click your mouse, then see it's a 500 unit. The line has been displaced. Okay. So this is the function of offset. Now let's go to fillet. What is fillet? So fillet is basically to connect two parallel line, or maybe some coplanar line. To connect that coplanar line or parallel line, we use the command fillet. Let's see its function. We'll type F, fillet space, just click here, and this here you can see this two parallel line has been connected by this arc. So this is the function of fillet. See here and here, it's done. So basically this line, what we can see is a arc, but it can be a straight line too, which I am going to teach you at later classes. Now for the time being, just get familiar with this command and what is it function. Okay, now let's see trim. What is trim? So trim is basically when we need to erase a particular part of a structure, of a line, of a circle, or any coplanar object. So let's see, we need to erase this. Okay, let me draw a line here, 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 here. Okay, great. So I need to erase this part from this line to this line. This whatever line we are watching, I need to remove this line. So we'll use the command trim. For that, we need to use this shortcut TR. Type here, trim, spacebar, and then come here and then left click. It's done. So I hope everyone has got the meaning of offset, fillet, and trim. So now for line. So for line, we use the shortcut L. Although we can use the line command from this ribbon bar, but it's always preferable to know the shortcut. It will ease your uh, work pace, it will increase your work pace, and it will give ease to your workload. So Let's type L line space from here to at whatever distance you want, or let's say you need at let's say 1000 unit, type 1000 space, your line has been created. See. And the next, dim style. So what is dim style? So let me show you something. So if you need to know the length of this line, you need to go here, dimension, click here at one point and then at another point, and then just, yes. So you can see it is 1000 unit. So sometimes what happens, this 1000 is too small. This letter is too small to be visible in our drafting drawing. We need to zoom it, zoom in and zoom out to see that annotation of the unit. So to modify this annotation, we use this D command dim style. Let's see, press D space. So you will get the modification detail of your annotation unit here in this dim style, whose shortcut is D. And next we have units, very much important. Upon opening our AutoCAD interface, at the very beginning, we need to check with which unit we gonna work on our drawing. So for unit, we have the shortcut UN. Let's type UN and then space. Okay, so unit with scale inserted content, it is millimeter. So everything that we are doing here is in millimeter. The 1000 unit what I was using, the word unit, is actually millimeter. So I need to change it to meter, then you just keep it meter. And then from now onwards, whatever we'll draw, it will be in meter. So it's upon you what unit you gonna use, or if the examiner asks you to do your entire drawing in feet or in or in meter, you just set your unit as per the examiner's question. So at the very first beginning, when you open your AutoCAD, you just type UN space and check here what is the unit of this interface. If the examiner asks you to do it in and if it is in meter, then change it to That's it, and you click OK. And then next we have this copy. Just highlight it, then type CO copy, then now press spacebar, and then click at some point, and then take it where you want. That's it. And then next we have move. So you want to move this object. That was highlight by pressing your left key of your mouse and then drag over it. It has been highlighted, and then type M for move, and then space, and then click at a particular point, and then just move it wherever you want. And at the last but not the least, it is tool palette. So you need to know what is tool palette. Let's type it PP space C. Here are different palette by default. It has been installed in this software by Autodesk. So when you go to civil part, you will see this symbol. So for the time being, you need this architectural one, this one architectural. So where you will get this symbol of though when you draw a plan. So you need to put this though symbol, and then this window. If you are using the metric unit, then you're gonna use this symbol for door. This one door metric. For Windows, this Windows metric, and for elevation, you can use this Windows. And if you are using some another unit apart from meter, then you're gonna use this imperial symbol. Have a look, or you can visit autodesk.com where you will get this image. So basically, like as you can see here, this part is called ribbon bar, the ribbon. It has been tagged one. So you come here one means the ribbon. Here it is the function of the ribbon bar. What are the tools that you will get in this ribbon bar? And the next, the menu browser. Here it is the menu browser. And then up next, D11 one is this one, quick access toolbar. This one is known as the quick access toolbar. And here you will get the function of the quick access toolbar, or what are the elements you will get in quick access toolbar, like stored commands that you frequently access in AutoCAD. By default, you can access new, open, save, plot, undo, and do etc. This number 5 text, you can see here the tool palette. This one, this tool palette I have opened in a few minutes ago. You can, I hope you can relate it with this tool palette. And then up next, this number 3, where is number 3? This one is steering wheel. So basically, you can just rotate your plan This one is especially used in the 3D part when you do 3D drawing in AutoCAD, and we use this drawing wheel for navigation. As well as it is used in 2D also for while we use zoom in or zoom out, or while we use the command pan to just uh, to move these interface in a particular direction. So it is not a big deal. You just have a look at the specified tag and then just go to tag and just for your information you just go through the basic detail of the function of that particular tag or that particular uh, palette or tool. So this is the very basic of AutoCAD, and in my next video I gonna teach how to draft a window in AutoCAD. Stay tuned. Thank you.